Give me one moment, guys. Okay, say goodbye to YouTube. I mean, good. Say hello to YouTube. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, let's go ahead. Let me continue with the session. Okay, guys. First of all, yesterday we used the prepositions of place. So it means locations. You can check on locations. But right now we will refer to prepositions of time. Okay, and this is the word time. Okay, when I speak about time, I am referring to minutes, for example. I am referring to seconds. I am referring to minutes. What else? What do you think when you think about time? What do you think I am referring?
Hours.
Hours. Uh-huh. What else? What do you think I am referring to?
Day.
Days.
Okay. And in this case, for days, we can use Monday, remember? Monday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Friday.
Friday. Oh, sorry, Thursday,
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 Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Saturday, and
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. And when we say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we refer to weeks, correct?
Weeks,
Weeks. Months.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And when we refer to weeks, we refer to months, correct? And when we talk about months, guys, what do you think it is a month?
January.
January,
January,
February,
February,
March, April,
March,
April,
April,
May.
May,
June,
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 July,
July,
August,
August,
September.
September,
November,
October,
October,
November.
November,
December,
December. Good. And when we talk about months, what else are we talking about?
Year.
Semicolon. I will
years.
use a semicolon here.
years.
Years.
A question.
We are talking about years. And in this case, for years, I am referring to 1998. I am referring also to, for example, 1580. For example, the conquer of Central America, 1542. Cristobal Colon, you know, 1542. For example, I am referring to 2000. Yes, I am referring to the pandemic, 2019. Yes, I am referring to years. Yes, this is when I talk about time, I am not referring to locations. For example, yesterday we were referring to the location of the pizza place is in front of the library. We were referring to locations. But today, the preposition of times, we will refer only to time. Yes, to time. And what happened, guys? What happened is that we have time, but we have to know when to use the prepositions. So let me know when did you copy this? Let me know when you finish, okay?
1 minute.
Sure.
Please.
Let me know that I can continue. Can I continue? Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, guys, now let's go and practice a little bit with this. So we are going to use only 3 prepositions of time. We're going to use in, we're going to use on, and we are going to use at. Okay, it is only 3. Okay, I will start from this. When we talk about at, we are going to refer to the hours. Okay, guys, we are going to refer to hours in some special cases, okay? Special case, okay? For example, look, at 7 o'clock, yes? I am talking about hour. Yeah, I will say at 16:30, it is hour, it is 4:30 p.m., correct? Yes? You are with me, guys? Yes? Do you understand?
Repeat, please.
I'll repeat, okay. When we talk with at, we are going to refer to hours. So for example, at 7 o'clock. For example, when we talk about hours, we will use at, okay? The preposition at 7 o'clock. When we talk about hours, we also refer to at 16:30. It means 4:30 p.m., correct? Yes? Okay, now we are going to refer parts of the day. For example, when we say, hey, let's go at lunchtime, okay? Yeah. So for example, our lunch at lunchtime is at 12. So I can say at 12, we have our lunchtime. Yeah. Yeah. Or at lunchtime, we have some rest. We also would say midday, or in this case, guys, midday refers to noon. In this case, oh, sorry, midday is noon. Yeah, and do you know what is noon? It is when it is 12 o'clock. Yes, 12 o'clock. Yeah. We can also say at midnight, you know, this is in the middle of the night. This is at the 0 hours and 0 minutes. Yeah. We can also say at night. At night. Yeah. Okay, and these guys, we will omit this one because this is only for British. They say at weekend, but in our case, we will use weekend in on. So I will omit this one, okay? I will omit this one for you. Please do not worry. This, you don't have to say it, okay? This not. And then a special case, we will use at for at Christmas. Yes, at Christmas. Yeah. Okay, now guys, let's work on some examples with at. Okay, for example, now let's go. I will erase this, guys. I hope you copied. Okay, now let's go with examples. For example, I get up 8 a.m. Okay, I get up 8 a.m. So what do you think I am missing in my sentence?
At.
At. Okay, I get up at 8 a.m. Okay, now I will give you another example. I teach English classes okay. I teach English classes. And what do you think I am missing here?
At.
At, okay, at 12:30 p.m. Okay, yeah. When we talk about hours, we have to use at, okay? When we talk about hours. So can you give me an example using at for time? For example, I will say, Allison will watch Netflix at night, yes? Because we have to use at, yes? At night, Another example, please.
Uh, uh, Pedro go to the school at lunchtime.
Excellent, correct. Pedro goes to the school at lunch time. Yes, good. Because we are using lunch time. Another example, guys.
Luis goes to the work at 12 p.m.
Okay, thank you. Luis goes to work at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Okay, Luis goes to work at 12 p.m. So we are using at when we talk about hours or at night or at lunchtime. Correct. Do you have a question, guys? Remember that right now we are focusing. Right now we are focusing at this in this part. We are focusing using the preposition of time. Okay, at 12:30, at night, at lunchtime, at 12. Okay, remember that. Yes. No questions? Can I continue?
1 second, teacher.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Let me know when ready.
Ready.
Okay, thank you. Now these are some examples, right? I will erase the examples because we will need the word later. Okay, now go and we will focus right now in on. Okay, on, when we refer to on, we are going to talk about, just give me 1 second, sorry. When we refer to on, we will talk about days, okay? And for example, some holidays as well. Holidays. And for example, we can talk about weekend. Yeah, weekends. Let's see. For example, when we date, you know, here you will see the month, right? And we are not talking about months here, but what happened is that the month is telling the day. For example, on May the 6th. If you see, we are being specific. So in this case, it doesn't matter about the month because the month is being specific on the day. That is the reason that we are using on May the 6th. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
But we refers about the days only. I mean, like you have to be very, like, for example, it says May the 6th. Teacher, but that is the month. Yes, but the month is saying the day. It is the 6th. For example, now you see here, now it is giving the other way around. On 1st January, yes, it is giving the day on 1st. The month, it doesn't matter here because we are trying to get focus on the day, on 1st January. Okay, now holidays. For example, on Christmas, yes, on Christmas. For example, on Sunday, because it is weekend, right? On Sunday. In the United States, we can say on the weekend, but usually we say on weekend, okay? No day. Usually we say only on weekend, okay? But you can say, and it is correct to say on the weekend, okay? You see, it's American. For example, when you say days, on Monday morning, yes? Again, holidays on New Year's Eve. And also my birthday, happy birthday to you on my birthday, yes? Questions? Do you have questions for this?
That only talk about days and weeks.
The days, holidays, and weekends.
Okay.
Weekends, days, holidays, and weekends.
Teacher, question.
Mhm.
On Christmas that day, at Christmas.
But this is a special case, yes? This is a special case. At Christmas, yes, you can say it. Yes, but you can also say on Christmas Day, yeah? Correct. Okay, can we go with examples? Do you want to check some examples?
Go.
Okay, let's check on the examples. What are the examples, guys? For example, let's say I am happy because I will have vacations. And let's see, let me think about vacations on Holy Week. Do you know what is the Holy Week?
Repeat a question. The question.
I will. Do you know what is the Holy Week?
Santa.
Semana Santa. So let's see. Sorry. You see that, for example, we can say for holidays, right? Right? Monday morning, New Year's. So I have Holy Week. Sorry, it is this. Yeah, I will have vacations on Holy Week. Just I forgot how to spell Holy Week. Let me check. Oh, I understand now. Okay, so it is Holy. Sorry.
Two words for Holy Week.
Sorry, guys. I will erase it because it is this way. Sorry. I will have vacations on Holy Week. Give me one moment. Yes. And what is Holy Week, guys? In English, right? In English, because we don't have to, we don't want to speak in English, okay? So this is Holy Week, guys. Holy Week is when you, for example, in Guatemala, it's when you have the processions, a lot of spiritual things, Catholic things usually, but it is also when you go to the beach, yeah. For example, on Holy Week, which is summer, yeah. You also go to the beach, yes. There are many things. You have vacations, yeah. So for example, in my case, I will have vacations on Holy Week, right? Or let's say also something that is really nice, guys, is this. Let's use another example. I will travel to Guatemala City on Saturday. Okay. Yeah. This is another example. Okay. So for example, if let's say Julio likes having presents on Christmas Day. Yes. Oh, in fact, I started. Oh no, let's say Allison. Allison started Fumbal classes on April. Remember, we have a month, but we have to be specific. On April the 4th. Okay. April the 4th. So in this case, I know that I have a month here, but I am being specific with the day. It is the 4th. So that is the reason that I use on. Okay. So for example, I will have vacations on Holy Week because it is a holiday. I will travel to Guatemala City on Saturday. I will do it this coming Saturday. And Saturday because it is a day, correct? Julio likes having presents on Christmas Day. Christmas Day is a holiday. Or in this case, Allison started Fumbal classes on April the 4th. Is that correct, Allison?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
It's correct.
okay, thank you. So then you see, we are focusing right now in the prepositions, right? In the prepositions of time. Of time, yes. On Saturday, on Christmas Day, on April the 4th. Yes? Okay. Do you have a question, guys? Or do I continue?
Teacher is for exam. Exam for no.
For example, yes.
Em, como in Spanish en Semana Santa.
Oh, no. But that's why you don't have to translate. Not translate. Because if you translate, yeah, you will say en in. No, teacher, why? No. Remember only the rule. If you talk about holidays, on. In English, think in English. If you speak about holiday, on. That is the rule. Yes, you understand? I understand. You will say, yes, teacher, pero en Semana Santa, in Holy Week. But you are translating, yes? And that is not correct. You see that why you don't have to translate? Because that way you will get confused. In Semana Santa, in Holy Week, in Semana Santa, in Holy Week. It's not correct. But in English, now, if you think in English, what is the rule? If you speak about holidays, you have to say on. Yes, you understand?
Yes. Thank you.
Exactly. That is the reason that I don't like to speak Spanish in the classes, you see? Because then you will translate in. And I don't want you to translate because at some point, Spanish is not the same thinking that in English. It is a total different language, yeah? Yes, of course, there are some words that can be translated, but there are some words that cannot, like in this case, on Holy Week. And why, teacher? Because it is the rule. If I speak about holidays, on Holy Week, on Saturday, on Christmas Day, on April the 4th, okay? Can I continue?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
continue.
Yes.
Good, guys. Good, guys. Do you have a question? Jeremy, Ever, Angie, Luis, Wendy, Lisandro, Jeffrey, Eduardo, Yasmin, Álvaro, Marcos, Alison, Pedro, questions?
No questions.
No questions. Okay. Should I continue?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
Yes.
continue. Ever?
Well, for example, I can say we can playing video games with my friends on Monday.
Exactly. On Monday. Why? Because the rule says that it is on when you use days.
Or in
On Monday. Exactly.
and at, for example, is we can play video games at afternoon with my friends.
Oh, in that case, that in the afternoon, but we will see the rule right now. In that
Oh.
case, only at night. In at
Oh.
is at night. At
Oh.
night only. We will see the rule in right now. But you can say, I can play video games with my friends at 7 o'clock. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
because it is the hour. But right now we will check the rules. The rules for in the afternoon is the rule is in. You will see the rule right now, okay? This is the rule, okay? But good question. Let's continue. Oh no, this is not what I have to share. Okay. Let's go with in. Okay. And this is what I wanted. In, for example, when we talk about in, we will refer to years. Yes. We will refer also to months. We will also refer at special cases. Okay. Year, months, years. Years, months, and special cases. What are the special cases? I will start with the special cases. For example, in at, you can say at night, at midnight, for example, at midnight. It means at 12 o'clock, right? But in this case, what are the special cases? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, okay? So in your case, Ever, I can play video games with my friends in the morning. I can play video games with my friends in the afternoon. I can play video games with my friends in the evening, and I can play video games with my friends at night. Yes? Why teacher at night? Because it is the rule. For the rule we have in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Yes, that is the rule. Yes. So that way you don't say, oh, ¿por qué si es en la tarde, en la noche? Pero todo es en el día, en la mañana, in Spanish, right? En la mañana, en la tarde, en la noche, pero todo es en teacher. Why then at or in? Because it is the rule. It's that only the answer. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. That's it. Why? It is the rule. Yes? Yeah, that's it. Okay, now, for example, months, guys. So for example, in March, yes, in March. But teacher, you are using here a month. Yes, but the month has the day, correct? If you put the day, then automatically you will change it on. But if you don't put the day, in March, you use in, yes? Okay. Oh, and in this case, stations, for example, in weather. So it can be winter, summer, in autumn, yes. We can use this in winter, summer, autumn, and I am missing one. Autumn, winter, summer, and I am missing one, guys, sorry. Or for example, in years, 2020 or 2020, in the 1960s, or for example, you can say also in the 20th century. Yeah, century is siglos, century. In the 20th century, in el siglo XX, right? You use in in. Yes?
Teacher, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
If we have, no, sorry, if we use only the months, we have say in, but we have use
The
they
day?
have use on.
Correct. If you use only the month, you can say in March. But if you use the month with the day, you specify the day, then you automatically change in on.
Thanks.
No problem. Don't worry. I will go with examples right now. Okay? So I will go with examples, okay? So no worry. But so far, everything is good? Is everything good so far? Yes? Yes? Yes, good, teacher? Oh, no, teacher, no, teacher. I am stressed out, teacher. I am stressed out. How is it going, guys? How is it going? Yeah? No problem. It's just a matter of practicing, practicing, and practicing. That's what you need, to practice, okay? And here we are to learn, yeah? So let's go to practice a little bit. Okay, for example, Henry had a very good question, also Jeremy. And I will go with the two questions. For example, you say, I play video games with my friends. And this is the question forever. With my friends in the morning, in the afternoon, yeah, it is correct. But when he says, I play video games with my friends at night, yes, why? Because it is the rule. So you can say, I play video games with my friends in the morning. I play video games with my friends in the afternoon. I play video games with my friends in the evening. And I play video games with my friends at night. Why? Because we use at when we use night, at night, okay? And then with, for example, let's say with Jeremy, I have vacations in April, right? I have vacations in April. And then I will put here another sentence. Give me one moment, Alvaro. I will give you your time. But on April the 8th, I have to travel. Okay? So what is the change here? Okay, the rule says that in April, because when you use months, you can use in. Correct? Yes, teacher. And then why, teacher, you are using on in this part, teacher, April? Because in this case, I am specifying the day. In April, the 8th. So my emphasis is in 8th. So I will use on. Because it is the rule that I use on in the days. Okay? That is the only reason. Okay? Alvaro, what is your question?
My question is for this third sentence, and they finish this say in the morning, and the second sentence at night. Why for the at the night? Or
Why? Because it is the rule, you see? Let's check on the rule. Alvaro, check with me. Let's check on the rule. Because we use at when we talk about night, yes? And the rule says that we will use in for in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. We use at when we refer at night, and we will use in when we refer to the morning, the afternoon, or the evening. That is the reason, Alvaro. You understand? Let me put this on. You understand? Why, teacher? Because it is the rule. That is the reason. Because it is the rule. I use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and then the rule says that for night I use at. That's it. No, teacher, but in Spanish es en la noche, en la mañana. Yes, but in English is in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, and at night. That's it. Do you understand, Alvaro? Alvaro, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you need more examples? Marcos, do you understand? I see your face like, are you sure, teacher? Are you sure, teacher? Yes.
I understand, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. Because everybody is in silence. It is like, será, teacher? I don't believe. No, believe me, it is the rules.
Concentration.
Concentration. Okay, you are focused. Okay, I understand. Okay, so I will give you more examples. For example, if I say the COVID pandemic was in the COVID pandemic was in 2019. Yes. Another example, can you help me with examples, guys, using in?
My birthday is in January.
Okay, good. That is a good example. Why? Because my birthday is in January. And if you are being specific, my birthday is on January. And what is the day of your birthday, Jasmine?
My
What?
birthday
The
is
day?
in 14.
Oh, in the 14th. Okay. Yes. Is that correct, Jasmine? In the 14th?
4th in May.
Oh, May. Oh, okay.
May.
Okay, for example, so let's change a little bit the sentence then. Thank you. Okay, for example, in this case, look, my birthday is in May, period. But if I am more specific, my birthday is on May the 14th. Yes, because I am using day here and I am not using day here. Yes, do you understand? Questions? Well, I will guess that your silence means that yes, teacher, I understand. So we will go ahead a test. We will go for a test. Okay? Yeah. Let's see. Don't worry, because in this case, the good thing about these little tests is that we are able to provide feedback, right? Oh, yes, this is good. No, this is not good. And we analyze, right? So, and we analyze the exercises, okay? So right now we will go ahead and try to check on the exercises, okay? Give me one moment to open the
I have a question.
Mhm.
So we can use in by days?
Oh, but you see, that is different because yes, we can use in. Remember, for example, yesterday, for example, in place is location. The square is In the square is in the triangle. Yes, but that is place. And we learned yesterday how to use the place. But right now, we are using on, in, and at to refer only to time, okay?
Okay.
Only to time, but yes, it is correct. If we are talking about place, we uses places. And we are talking, if we are talking about time, and that means days, hours, months, years, we can use in, but in this case, we use it for time, yes? But
Yes.
it is correct, yes,
So, teacher, can I say I will have a party in my house? Is
Can you
correct?
repeat it?
Yes, I will have a party in my house.
In my house,
My house. Yes, is correct or no?
it is correct.
Okay.
It is correct. But before we go to the exercise, that is a good question, guys. And what is the question, teacher? Oh, listen to the question. That is a good question, and I would like to practice before we go to the exercises, okay? So right now, for me, the question would be, teacher, can we use the prepositions of places and prepositions of time in the same? Yes. For example, you will see here. I will try to provide a text, and let me see if you understand. Okay. McDonald's is a restaurant. Yeah. They they open at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Period. I like the hamburgers. Okay. I go to McDonald's every day at 3:00 p.m. because I love eating hamburgers. Okay, McDonald's is located between the stadium and the police station. Yes. I will travel to another city in March. I will miss going in McDonald's. Sorry, I will miss. Let me think about this sentence. I will go travel to another city in March. So let me think about the sentence. McDonald's is a restaurant. They open at 7:30 in the morning. I like the hamburgers. I go to McDonald's every day at 3 p.m. because I love eating hamburgers. McDonald's is located between the stadium and the police station. I will travel to another city in March. Yeah. But on March the 22nd, I will come back to the city and I will eat McDonald's again. Okay. So for example, here, if you realize, I am using the prepositions of place and I am using also the prepositions of time. Why? McDonald's is a restaurant. They open at 7:30. I am using at as preposition of time. In the morning, oh, look, this is wrong. In the morning, okay. Sorry. No, this is good. They open at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Here I use the preposition of time at, and here I use the preposition of time in. I like the hamburgers. I go to McDonald's every day at 3 p.m. because I love eating hamburgers. McDonald's is located between, I am using prepositions of time here, preposition of place, between the stadium and the police station. I will travel to another city in March, so I am using in, but as preposition of time. But on March the 22nd, I am using on because I am specifying the day. I will come back to the city and I will eat McDonald's, okay? So yes, we can use preposition of time and preposition of place in the same structure, yes? In this paragraph, I used it, do you have a question related to this? No?
No, understand.
No? Okay, it is, yeah. The only thing is that you won't say, oh, this is preposition of place, this is preposition of time, right? You already have to know how to identify and how to write the sentences, yes? If you see, I did a big paragraph, but it was words that we already know, yeah? You are supposed to do this as well. So do not worry. We will go ahead right now and do a test, okay? And we will do this task right now. Give me 1 second and I will show it to you.